Hey, all you woodworkers out there, if you're located in Texas or any of the surrounding states, basically within driving distance of Waco, Texas, this is just a reminder that one of the greatest woodworking events in the country is happening this weekend, Friday the 21st, Saturday the 22nd, and Sunday the 23rd in Waco, Texas. The Southwest Area Turners Association's Wood Turning Symposium. It's the second largest symposium in the nation. Now, if you are not a wood turner, but just a woodworker, you're still going to be interested in it, because I've always found that wood turners are kind of on the leading edge of a lot of the styles that will eventually make it into cabinets and stuff like that. Yeah, just look at the embellishments they do, the tarnishing they do, the metalwork they do, they incorporate all that kind of stuff. You see that migrate elsewhere. And it's just a phenomenal place to see some of the best woodworking out there. Some of the most talented, taking their work to the most extremes, are the amateurs, because they have a seemingly unlimited amount of time and resources to invest into one project because they aren't worried about making a living off of it. So just going out there and visiting and seeing what other artists have done, it's an inspiration I enjoy every single year. Plus, they have a huge vendor area, which you can see some of the newest tools out there. And even if you're not a wood turning, there's going to be a lot of elements out there that you might enjoy. And all that is the free portion of SWAT. Yeah, doesn't cost you anything. You can go in and see all the tools of vendors, talk to a lot of woodworkers, and see the instant gallery, all for free. Now, if you do want to go to some of the courses they have right there, which, I'll put a kind of a snapshot of just the one day that I'm going this year. I'm just driving up one day and driving back. So it could be completely free for me other than gas. But I am going to go to some of the classes that I see out there because some of them are really, really interesting. And you do have to pay for those classes, but they throw in lunch, which is really nice if you do that. So I just want to put it out there that if you're anywhere within driving distance of Waco, Texas, you want a fun family event, or you just want to escape and really dive deep into your hobby, go Google SWAT Waco wood turning. Don't just do SWAT in Waco because, the Twin Peaks shootout will still pop up on you. But it's got to add that wood turning, and you can go to their website and get all the information or see any one of the videos that I and other people have put out there about the event. It really is one of the best inspirational events I have for my craft out there. Y'all be safe and have fun. And if you're there Saturday, hit me up. I'll bring some stickers. You can have one.